7 steps to push your career beyond your comfort zone. 1. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. You will start seeking opportunities to stretch yourself or take on additional responsibility because you know that even though these things may make you uncomfortable, they are another way for your profession to grow. 2. Take risks but minimize risks as much as you can. 3. Be prepared to venture into the unknown. 4. Learn from your mistakes, and move on. If you are constantly trying new things, pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone and making mistakes along the way, as long as they are not too costly, then there is no way for you not to improve, and fast. 5. Do not let what others think of you limit your success. 6. Put yourself out there. 7. Dream big, then work toward making it happen. Be prepared for failure, think about what could happen if your plan fails, and work through those scenarios so that you know what steps you would need to take next. Follow AID for more fascinating news and updates. Thanks.